In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Learn About This Picture icon in Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you've noticed a little icon appearing on your lock screen that says something like, Learn About This Picture, that's part of a Windows feature called Windows Spotlight. It shows rotating background images and sometimes adds icons or text with trivia, tips, or promotions. While some people enjoy it, others find the icon distracting or unnecessary. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to turn that feature off so your lock screen looks clean and simple. First, we need to open the Settings app. You can do this by clicking the Start button and then selecting the gear-shaped Settings icon, or by pressing the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard at the same time. Once Settings is open, look for the option labeled Personalization and click on it. This is where Windows keeps all the options related to your background, lock screen, and themes. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Click on Lock Screen. This page controls everything you see when your device is locked, including the background image and any additional information or icons that appear. Near the top of this lock screen page, you'll see a section labeled Background with a drop-down menu. If that menu is currently set to Windows Spotlight, that's what's causing the Learn About This Picture icon to show up. To remove the icon, we simply need to switch away from Windows Spotlight. Click on the background drop-down and choose either Picture or Slideshow. If you select Picture, you can pick a single image that will always appear as your lock screen background, without any spotlight icons or tips. If you select Slideshow, Windows will rotate through images from a folder you choose. Again, without that Learn About This Picture icon. After you change this setting, give Windows a moment to apply the change. You can press the Windows key and L to lock your computer and preview how your lock screen looks now. You should see your chosen picture or slideshow, and the Learn About This Picture icon should be gone. If you ever decide you missed the rotating spotlight images and don't mind the icon, you can come back to this same lock screen settings page and switch the background option back to Windows Spotlight. That's all you need to do to remove the Learn About This Picture icon on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching.